Happy New Year everyone, and welcome to the Weather Centre on this first day of 2015. Now, after a couple of cloudy and cooler days over the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, it's going to be somewhat clearer today, and along with that we're expecting warmer conditions across those provinces. Thunder showers will be developing over the central parts, including in Gauteng this afternoon, and we could see some of those thunder showers spreading towards the coastline later on. Fairly cloudy once again for the low-veld areas of Limpopo, while in the southwest we're also expecting increased cloud cover, helping to keep things cooler along the west coast for today, and it will become cloudy along the south coast this evening, but the daylight hours should be partly cloudy and dry for most areas. Now, the rainfall probability map indicates scattered thunder showers are expected from Gauteng into Mpumalanga and down the Drakensberg and all the way into parts of the Eastern Cape. Isolated thunder showers may reach East London as well as Durban, and we'll see isolated storms from Botswana extending into the northwest. A little bit of light rain still possible along that eastern escarpment, clearing out during the course of the afternoon, but we could see the rainfall returning to the area later tonight. And it's going to be a warm to hot day for most of South Africa, upper 20s and lower 30s for almost all of the country, 28 degrees in Pietermaritzburg and Bethlehem, and a lovely day along the southern coastline, George and Port Elizabeth reaching a high of 27. Cooler near the west coast, Cape Town at 26, and Vredendal just reaching that 30-degree mark. Let's take a closer look at your coastal conditions for today, and southwesterly winds are expected from Alexander Bay through to Langebaan, swells remaining low across this area at 1.5 meters. And as we head further south, we're expecting very similar wind conditions from Table Bay through to Cape Agulhas, between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour, although winds will be light at first across this region. A long period swell of about 2-meter height coming in across this region. Now, the thing to remember about these long period swells is they can cause stronger rip currents than normal and may result in dangerous conditions for some areas. Let's take a look at the southern coastline now. We're expecting similar swells for this area, light winds coming in between 15 and 20 kilometers per hour, a mainly clear and much warmer day expected for that area. And along the east coast, northeasterly winds will be moderate to fresh across this region, getting up to 35 kilometers per hour for East London. Swells on the other hand remaining quite low. High tide this afternoon at 23 minutes past 1. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your New Year's Day.